Why, hello guys. It has been a whopping 9 days since my little accident, and I'm up on my feet and I'm walking alright. I mean, I got a bit of a limp, but been going crazy not being able to ride, so I think it is time to go for a quick little ride. I don't know if we're going to be doing any wheelies or anything, probably a couple. I mean, it'll be hard to not to. But yeah, I kind of just want to go on a little ride. You might be able to tell that I got a microphone, maybe. I don't know if it sounds any different. Alright, and off we go. Oh, fuck, I missed this thing. Somebody fucking calling me right now? Alright, I can shift, but it hurts. Fuck, I missed this bike. Well, I don't really have anything interesting to talk about today, which probably... Oh, look, they painted the lines. How about that? Alright, well, shifting still hurts a bit. It's kind of hard to shift. But that's alright. I wonder how this audio sounds. I can't wait to get home and listen to it. There is a reason why it has taken me this long to get back to using a microphone though. And that's because the very first, and I think maybe the second also, video on my channel, I did have a microphone and I used this GoPro mic adapter, but that microphone always had like really bad wind noise crackling at speeds anywhere over like 35-40 miles an hour, and I hated it. Like, it was literally like you couldn't fucking listen to it. It was terrible. So I stopped using that, and I was just using the regular built-in GoPro mic for the longest time. But I've gotten some comments on my videos. I'll throw those up right here. And, well, I think it's time to get a mic again. So I went and bought one of those purple Panda microphones. Alright, my foot is figuring out shifting, so that's cool. But yeah, so I bought one of them purple Panda microphones, and, well, my visor is open right now. Visor is closed now. So, we'll see how that sounds. Hopefully it sounds good. Fuck. I wonder if you can hear the bike through the microphone also. Alright, so this is 55 miles an hour. I wonder how the mic is sounding. Let's go, visor open. I wonder how much of a difference that makes. slow. Oh, steel plates. Alright, well, my wife says I shouldn't do any wheelies, but it's been more than a week and I can't control myself. Fuck. I miss doing wheelies. I wonder if there's anybody out here today. It would be nice to chat with somebody, but I ain't seeing no one. Alright, just nice, smooth sit downs. Probably ain't gonna be doing nothing else today. Feeling pretty good for not doing any wheelies for a week. Man, that truck's seen better days. All right. Sit downs are feeling good. Boy, I sure would like to do other stuff. I would love to fucking rip a staggered or a fucking seat stander or something right now. That'd be sick. But I think I just gotta wait. My foot. Fuck, if I were to go down right now, I might as well just fucking cut off my foot. That shit would hurt so bad. So definitely got to take it easy for a little bit. Also, like, I just don't have the strength or the stability in that ankle right now to, like, be able to really comfortably do, like, you know, moving around on the bike, like standing up to double pegger or standing up to a seat stander or anything like that. So probably just going to do some boring sit downs today. But that's okay. They still feel cool. I'm definitely getting smoother with them too, which is that's the big thing. Just the throttle control and the brake control and stuff. I definitely learned from my little mouse trap that the brake on this is pretty fucking sensitive. I mean, I knew that before, but I mean, mouse trapping will show you that better than anything else will. I'm thinking right now we go for the longest wheelie I've ever done on the FZ. Started going a little too fast there, felt a little wobbly. I ain't taking any risks with this foot thing. This one doesn't really feel all that good. I'm just kind of sitting a little weird in the seat. Was trying to lean over, but I could only lean over so far. Probably could have saved that, I'm just making excuses. Let's do a nice little second gear down here. Maybe we'll hit the handbrake a little bit. Well, alright guys, I think that's going to be it for this little episode. I'm adjusting my handbrake. Oh, sick. Fucking look at that. Nice. 57 Chevy, sick. Well, alright, yeah, fucking, I am absolutely stoked to be back on this bike and doing some wheelies after my stupid fucking crash. Foot's feeling alright. Unfortunately, though, it's probably going to take a couple of weeks still until I'm, you know, back to 100%. So, probably won't be doing, like, you know, seat standers and shit for a few more days at least. But, stoked to be back on this bike. Holy shit, that was a B. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking head home now and go have a smoke. Peace.